Hello guys, welcome to Trading Tutorial. I am Piyush here. This is my second to third video on crude oil trading training. So, in my last video, I tell the basics about crude oil, on what factor crude oil price depends, how crude oil price move up and move down, uh, and so we need volatility in any stock, scripts or any instrument if you want to trade that. So crude oil is the one of the major scripts or instrument in the world with lot of volatility in it. Okay, so major almost I can say almost most of the traders trade crude oil for them because due to their lot of volatility. So if you have not seen that video, you can see that video too. This just a previous video of this one. Okay, and along with I am also recording one series where I have deposited in my this account. I have deposited $500 and just to trade crude oil only. Actually, just to trade crude oil only, and you can see that I have made a loss of some amount, and right now just I have $497, and I have deposited $500 in my account. Actually, that was due to some mistake. I forgot to cancel the order, but still that I have made loss, and it's my duty to recover it. And my target is to convert this $500 to $3,000. Okay, so there's a you can see the previous history. So you can see I have made loss of $8, made a loss of $5 in one trade, actually in last two trade, and also I have made $3.30 profit too. And previously I have also made some $11 or $14 profit. So you can see there is a $10 negative loss, but still my account is 497. So why? Because I have made some profit in past, and actually you can see one pending order too. There is also one pending order. So let's move. The motive of this video is to tell what is leading indicator, difference between of leading indicator and lagging indicator. So by the term leading indicator and lagging indicator, you get this. Leading indicator means that indicator which will give the indication of the trade before the event or before the price moving price of instrument moving in that direction. Suppose the script where the price is moving up, candlestick is in uptrend, and you got an indication that now the price will start falling from here. So what? But the trend is means the trend of that instrument is still in uptrend. That instrument is trading in uptrend direction, but you get an indication that from this point the instrument may be fall from there. So what you will call that indication or indicator which give this indication, you will call that indicator is a leading indicator. Okay. And now what is lagging indicator? Lagging indicator is that one if the trend of that particular instrument have changed to, suppose the trend was in a uptrend and the trend changed to a you can say the trend changed to a downtrend, and that point when the trend changes to a downtrend according to that indicator, then that indicator will give indication to now take a downtrend trade or shorted. Then you will call that indicator as a lagging indicator. Okay, so there is a lot of indicator. Some indicators are some popular example of lagging indicator is that moving average. Moving average never give you uh, means the cross section of moving average once happen when the price is change the trend according to that moving average period. Now there is also a moving average is two to three to four types. Main four types. One is a simple moving average. One is exponential moving average. One is smooth moving average, you can say, and another one is weighted moving average. So I basically use these three. Actually, I use two major, one exponential and one weighted moving average. So I will create in one another video especially for moving average after this one. Okay. So now we move on the next. So I have told that there is a lagging indicator, uh, the moving average, and you can also know MACD is also type of lagging indicator because MACD is also moving average convergence divergence. Okay, so I will create one video for MACD and RSI too, and there is one indicator also Bollinger Band. That is you can, and there is a conflict between some sides or the some traders. Uh, they have someone say the RSI is lagging indicator, someone say RSI is leading indicator. But what I will, in my opinion, or it's all depend on what do you think about that indicator. So in my opinion, RSI is leading indicator. How you see the prices of oversold and overbought. Suppose if anything is moving in uptrend, means if most of the person are buying that instrument. Okay, suppose the crude oil price start moving up, means the person is trying to buy it, so everyone is buying it, so why the price is moving up. Okay, so you see RSI indicator give indication of overbought, but price is still in uptrend, and you get an indication that is in up, now it's overbought, then but still it is in uptrend. So what many traders do when it is in it reaches to overbought, they some traders exist from the trade, and some risky traders short still there. Okay, but still the price is in uptrend, and that indicator giving you that you can now sort here. So what you will call that, this is a leading indicator. But I don't know why there is some conflict between the trader. Some traders say that this is a also lagging indicator, but I don't think so. Okay, so this one and you can yeah, also there is, you can see this my on my chart, this pivot lines and support resistance. This is also type of leading indicator. Okay, you can call it leading indicator. Suppose if I am trading, so this one is a resistance line. Okay, so what I will think, if this candle is moving up, price is moving up, and once this candle will strike this resistance line, then it will fall from here. Then I am getting this indication previous from that price. Still that price has not moved up there. So what I will call I will call this as a leading indicator. Okay. Also a trend line. We draw a trend line on our price. Suppose if I have drawn a trend line, so this one is a trend line. Suppose I have drawn this trend line like this. Okay, and this candle will if the can I think in my opinion, this is a trend line, but this is not a perfect trend line. Never draw such type of trend line. I am saying just for, I am telling about here just for an example. Now if the candle will move up and touch this trend line, prices will start falling from there, in my opinion. So this is a leading indicator for me. Okay, so this was, now I am showing on chart about moving average, and I have plotted a exponential moving average. Okay, so this is my oil, and let me insert one more moving average here, trend moving average. I have already plotted a 20, now I am using 8 to make a cross section between them. Okay, I will use, and I will use here. Okay, so I will get a good cross section. Okay, and let me make this chart big. Okay. Yeah, this one is a good example. Actually, I have used 8 and 20, and that is exponential moving average. So, exponential moving average gives signal very fast rather than SMA and WMA. So, you can see here the price is there is no any clear direction for here now. You can say, and here you can see this candle has been closed here. Okay, on the price on high, and this candle is also closed in green. After that, this cross section mouth has expanded. So here after the closing of this candle, okay, you can see there is a, let me no, yeah, this one. Okay, you can see here the price is 20.42, and here the price is 21.02. After almost 60 cents price move up. Suppose if I will trade with 0.01, then I will make a $6. Just I am spending $2 to $3, and I am earning $6 here. But after the closing of this candle, this will give me a signal to take a trade here. Okay, so why I we call it a lagging indicator. So after that, you can see after the almost 60 cents move up, this indicator gives to take a trade here after the closing price, where is the price is 21.10, and you can see here the price is fall that 30 to 40 pips down, and you will start in fear that it may move more down. But I will create another video for moving average where you will not exist from the trade. At least it's have to reach this position to exist from the trade if you are using moving average for your trading. Okay, trading signal. Okay, so this price has give here a signal to exist, and you can see here, and let me show here also one good example. The price almost you can see here 26.47. This candle has closed on 25, almost $1 and more than $1, I think so. And still this price fall here and to 23.96, and this signal is we get a signal here after that price bounce back. Okay, so why we call it a lagging indicator. And I have already shown an example of leading indicator like our trend line and support and resistance. So that's all. And on my blog I will post all examples of leading and lagging indicator. And once I will post there, so in my other video I will announce that, and I will share a link of the post. So in my next video I will uh, show one live trade uh, again, and you can see there is a one my pending order, still it is pending. Okay, and in my next video I will show some moving averages examples. I will create all lesson of all moving averages, like how can we make a good signal, how can we get a good signal using the combination of just only a moving average. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like this video please like. Yeah, I am just a beginner on YouTube, so uh, I am not able to make a good video, means good quality of video, but sure I am learning. And in my later video you will see some good content too. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, please keep monitor my live trade. Okay, let us see when we will reach to $3,000.